Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Giotto Professional with us in the shop, and it came in for a general tune-up. And we also serviced the steam one. It was pretty loose. The locking ring on the back was untightened pretty, just from age, twisting the knob back and forth. We also cleaned the probe on the boiler so it doesn't overfill, and we also I took apart the vacuum release valve and replaced the gasket just so you don't have any sort of future leaking inside of your machine. The machine inside is in pretty good condition. That's why I didn't want any sort of leaks to happen. On top of that, we did clean out the group head. We cleaned out the shower screen. We did notice that the shower screen was an IMS reusable shower screen, and also that the gasket, the silicone gasket inside of the group head, was in really good condition. So we did reuse those, and we are discounting that off the final invoice. But we did backflush the machine, which had quite a bit of coffee buildup. We descaled the heat exchanger and the steam boiler. There's quite a lot of scales, so it did take a while to descale it. Clean the portafilter, clean the steam one, and that's about it. So now we're going to test the shop in this machine. This heat exchanger has a rotary pump. So don't worry if the shot runs a little too slow or a little too fast. We don't calibrate our grinders to it. A little bit of coffee's off the edge there. Looks like it's coming out pretty well. And again, there was just a lot of descaling that needed to be done on this one. Turn that off. Test the steam on here. Steam pretty good. And lastly, hot water side. Which will activate the pump and refill the steam boiler. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any better repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.